What's up, YouTube? So today I'm making this video to enlighten you guys on this recently new discovered technology I've came across. And honestly, as somebody who prints a lot of stuff and I've never seen about this has just blew my mind that it is possible that you could print stuff without using any ink. I know it sounds crazy. For somebody, if you print a lot of stuff like me or even anything, you know how expensive ink is. So today I'm going to show you two different models for two different types of printing, and both of them aren't that expensive. The first one that I have right here is a label printer. Both of the printers will be linked down in the description if you want to just click on the link and you could purchase it. I found the cheapest one. They're both on Amazon. Amazon usually has the cheapest prices. So this is the label printer that I have. So if I'm selling stuff for eBay or if you do Amazon FBA, you probably print like a lot of labels and you have to send in the packages with the labels. But with this, you don't have to buy any other ink. You could just buy a roll of labels. Labels are super cheap. I saw you get 5,000 for $35. So you really, it's like a one-time purchase. Who's going to sell 5,000 packages? Not a lot of people. And this, if you're wondering how it works, it just uses a thermic laser printer to print it on. I know it sounds crazy. Obviously, you can't print color with this, but it's still really nice for printing labels or anything that you print in black and white. And then the second printer that I have, which is also linked in the description, it's just a regular paper printer. Obviously, you can't, like I said, you can't print in color, so you're limited to black and white, which hopefully the technology involves and you could get something that's better that prints in color. But if I'm printing flyers and I just want them in black and white, I could just do it with no ink. Obviously, I still have like a regular ink printer, like when I want to print in color. But this is just super nice. If I want to print in black and white, I don't have to waste any ink on it. So if you want these printers in your life, either one of them, I will link it down, the cheapest one that I could find, in the description below. And you can just click that link and purchase it through Amazon real fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below which printer you bought and how it's working out for you. And other than that, I just wanted to say thank you for watching.